Communication through the Internet, Chapter 8. The key points which we will discuss in this chapter are: number 1, connecting to the Internet; number 2, ways to connect to the Internet; number 3, wireless services; number 4, Internet services; and finally, Netiquette. Connecting to the Internet. The Internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. It enables the connected computers to share information and services. There are more than 100 countries are linked into exchanges of data, news, and opinions. The internet links are computer networks all over the world so that user can share resources and communicate with each other. To gain access to the internet, the user has to register to any internet service provider, need a telephone line, a modem, and a web browser. An Internet Service Provider or ISP is an organization that provides access to the Internet. There are some examples of ISPs are BSNL, Airtel, Reliance, Vodafone, etc. A telephone line is a cable used to carry telephone signals. The telephone connections at home, school, and offices are set up with these cables. Modulator, demodulator, or in short, modem is a device that connects a computer to the internet service provider. Cables are used to connect a modem to a computer. Web browser. This type of software is used to open web pages on the internet. There are some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Chrome, Opera, and Mozilla Firefox. Ways to connect to the internet. An ISP provides the internet connection that is fixed to a specific place, such as a home, office, or shop. There are two ways in which an internet connection is made. Number 1, dial up, and number 2, broadband. The following step will show how internet is connected to the computer. Number 1, the modem is connected to the computer and the ISP with cables. Number 2, the modem dials the number of the ISP. Number 3, when the connection of the ISP is made, the ISP connects to the internet. Now, open a web browser to check emails, browse, share files, and so on. Differences between dial-up and broadband. Dial-up connection is internet access through public switch telephone networks. Dial-up uses telephone to connect to the internet. So, one cannot use telephone while connected to the internet, and the speed of dial-up connection is very slow. Whereas broadband is high-speed internet access. It is much faster than dial-up connection. One can check emails and make phone calls at the same time. Wireless services. Almost every mobile phone has a radio. A radio connects you to a number of stations where you can able to listen a program running on it. This radio programs reaches to you without the use of wires because radio signals are carried by radio waves. The connection is set up with the help of antenna. This technology is called wireless technology. Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that uses radio waves. It connects to the internet without using any cables. Many devices can share a single Wi-Fi connection at the same time. Internet services. There are various types of internet services. One of the most important service of the internet is to communicate with others. Some other widely used internet services are www, email, chatting, video conferencing, social networking, and e learning. Number 1, www. The World Wide Web is a huge collection of web pages. It contains text, pictures, audios, videos, hyperlinks, and so on. The World Wide Web is popularly known as the web. 2. Email. A message that is sent and received through the internet is called an email. It is the fastest way of sending messages. One can send an email to a number of people at the same time. The websites that provide free email services are Gmail, Yahoo, and Rediff. Number 3. Chatting. Online chatting is a type of communication in the form of short type messages. It also called instant messaging and is similar to the SMS service on mobile phones. Some of the examples of online chat softwares are Google Hangouts, Yahoo Messenger, Live Chat, and Pure Chat. Number 4. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is a technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. Video conferencing uses computers to create a video link. The link can be made between two or more people at the same time. Some video conferencing softwares are TrueConf and Meeting.io. Number 5. Social networking. Social networking is an online platform which is used to build social network or social relationship with other people who share similar personal or career interests, activities, background, or real life connections. One can share news, images, audios, and videos with others. Some social networking websites are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. Number 6. E-learning. E-learning means accessing learning materials available on the internet. It can be used to train a large group of students at a time. The learning material can contain various types of media such as audio, text, video, and animations. Some popular websites that offer e-learning are www.microsoft.com/learning, www.abcya.com, etc. Netiquette. Netiquette is a word used to describe the do's and don'ts of online communication. It is formed by joining two words, internet and etiquette. There are some netiquette one must follow while communicating online. Number 1. Be polite and courteous while communicating with others online. Number 2. Avoid typing in capital letters. This is considered as shouting. Number 3. Treat others with respect when you are communicating online. Number 4. Respect the privacy of others. Number 5. Always check the spelling and grammar of your message before sending it. So that's the end of the lesson. Thank you.